Is it rude to wake someone up who is snoring?
Snoring is common. It's air vibrating soft tissues in the throat. If it's occasional and mild, a gentle nudge or asking them to roll onto their side is fine. But loud nightly snoring, pauses, choking, or daytime sleepiness can signal sleep apnea. In those cases, it's reasonable and important to wake or reposition them and urge medical evaluation. Don't shame them. The goal is safety and long-term care, not constant waking.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.